So our question number 5, part C is obtain Simpson's 3 by 8 rule from Newton-Cotes formula. So now start the solution. So we will start with writing Newton-Cotes formula, which is I equal to NH from summation of from I equal to 0 to n by I Ci of n, where Ci of n equal to 1 by n integration from 0 to n Liu du. So for finding Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, we need to put n equal to 3 in Newton-Cotes formula, which is above. So by putting n equal to 3, we will get I equal to 3 of h summation of from I equal to 0 to 3 y I Ci of 3, where I equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then I equal to 3 of h, we can write the summation as y0 c0 of 3 plus y1 c1 of 3 plus y2 c2 of 3 plus y3 c3 of 3, and we will take it as a equation number 1. Now from Cotes number, we can put n equal to 3 and I equal to 0 and find the value of C03, which is equal to 1 by 3 from this formula. 1 by 3 from 0 to 3 L0 of u du. Then 1 by 3 integration from 0 to 3 L0 of u means we take u minus 1, u minus 2 and u minus 3 upon 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3 du. This L0 u du u matlab means Lagrange's formula of interpolation, which says that for the given value we accept that 0 value, we can minus all the other values, and from that value we minus all other values in denominator. Then we will solve for that. C03 equal to 1 by 3 from 0 to 3 u minus 1, we will multiply this 2 and we will get u square minus 5u plus 6, and in denominator the answer is minus 6 du. Then C03 equal to 1 by 18 integration from 0 to 3 minus of u cube plus 6u square minus 11u plus 6 du. We just multiply this with this and this minus sign, change the sign of all other variables, and then C03 becomes 1 by 18. Then we will integrate them and the answer is minus u to the power 4 upon 4 plus 6u cube upon 3 minus 11u square upon 2 plus 6u, and the limits are 0 to 3. Then we will put the value of limit in u and get minus 81 upon 4 plus 72. We will solve and get minus 99 upon 2. This will be 54 and this will be 18. From 0 to 3 the limit we have put. Now our answer will be 1 upon 8. After solving this, we will get C03 value equal to 1 by 8. C1 of 3 equal to 1 by 3 from 0 to 3 L1 of u du. Then 1 by 3 from 0 to 3 u minus 1, u minus 3 upon 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 du. This is a Lagrange's interpolation formula where the for given variable which value is 1, we can't take that, and this is u minus 2, and then from that variable we minus all other numbers, that is 1 minus 0 which is equal to 1, 1 minus 2 which is equal to minus 1, and 1 minus 3 which is equal to minus 2, and we will get 1 by 3. After solving this and after integration, we will find u upon u4 upon 4 minus 5u cube upon 3 plus 3u square, and the limit are from 0 to 3, and we get c1 of 3 equal to 3 upon 8. Now we know that c2 of 3 equal to c3 minus 2 of 3, which is equal to c1 of 3 equal to 3 by 8. This is a binomial expression formula or permutation combination formula, and our c33 equal to c3 minus 3 of 3 equal to c0 of 3, which is equal to 1 by 8. This formula is the c of I of n equal to c of n minus I. This is the formula, and we have used in this two variables in finding these quotients numbers. For now, I1 equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus y3. This is the total form we will get by putting the C01, C03, C13, C23 and C33 value in the equation number 1. We will get I1 equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus 3y3. Then similarly for I2 equal to 3h by 8 y3 plus 3y4 plus 3y5 plus 3y6, and it will go on, and we will find In equal to 3h by 8 yn minus 3 plus 3yn minus 2 plus 3yn minus 1 plus 3yn. And after summation of these values, our I become 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 3 times of this y0 and yn is that, sorry for that, y0 plus yn comes one time, then 3 times of y1 plus y2 plus yn minus 1, then plus 2 times of y3 plus y6 plus yn minus 3. So our Simpson's formula is Simpson's 3 by 8 formula is I equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 3 times of y1 plus y2 plus yn minus 1 plus 2 times of y3 plus y6 plus yn minus 3. So for memorizing this formula, you can learn by that I equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus yn. This is generally the first term, yn is the last term, and this multiply by 2 of multiple of 3 terms, and they all other terms are multiplied by 3, all other terms. So this is the formula of Simpson's 3 by 8.